These don't just look the same. These are the same. Only one of them's half the price. Timbertech AG130, and this is the Master G22. Master's very, very popular airbrush. This one, not so much. What are the difference between this airbrush and this airbrush? We're gonna find out. Okay, side by side out of the box, the only difference you can tell on this is obviously the Timbertech handle is black. It also comes with a needle limiter, which some people like. And this one is actually really smooth. One of the better feeling ones that I have. But that's not because the threads are manufactured better. It's just simply that it used the right size O-ring to create friction against these. This is what these made. They thread in, and then the O-ring creates tension, and that keeps that from being flopping around like I see with so many of the Chinese airbrushes. Ironically, in this particular case, the Timbertech trigger was very smooth right from the box, and there was no grittiness or feel, and there was a little bit of grittiness in the Master, but that, as I've used it, has started to, you know, mellow out and get better. And this one is, you know, the Timbertech, I would rate that trigger feeling, you know, good, not great, but good. On that point, it's important to note, I think if you bought 5 from Master and 5 from Timbertech, I think they would balance out. That some of them would have a little grittier trigger than others from each brand. I don't think it's gonna make a bit of difference. It has a bit of tension on it. I like a little bit more tension. Of course, you could always, you know, back off the spring a little bit to get a little bit less tension on it, but I actually like the way it feels right out of the box. Works perfectly for me. So as you can tell, there's externally, these two airbrushes are pretty much identical with the exception of, you know, what handle is on the back side of them. I'll take these apart, do this in speed side by side, and I have confirmed by taking these apart that the internals are exactly the same. I mean, not close to the same. They are exactly the same internals with the same specs. Everything 100% identical, same nozzle, same needle, in the same basic condition, both equal. Okay, so if you go to Timbertech's page on Amazon, which I'll leave you guys a link for, it is of course going to have some pictures of the airbrush. That's the actual airbrush. And then there's the packaging, and you see that, notice that that packaging says FITMENT. And indeed, it did not come with that box. It came with a box marked Timbertech. Why did that say FITMENT on it? It's because FITMENT is the manufacturer of all of these airbrushes. They are the main manufacturer. They made them there, the original manufacturer. So no matter who you get that 130 airbrush from, it's going to be made by the same manufacturer with a different company's name stamped on the edge. Basically, if you watch the G22 review, anything I was doing with the G22, you'll be able to do with this airbrush. Just like the G22, I can get some pretty fine lines without too much difficulty. There is, you know, a little bit of difference between the cleanliness of the line, how crisp and how nice it'll atomize versus a more expensive, better airbrush, but nothing that's not serviceable. And if you're just starting out, you really won't be able to get lines this clean until you've got some trigger control built up. So when you start, don't expect your first lines to look anything close to that. So do I recommend either one of these airbrushes? Well, sort of. I mean, in my opinion, this is what I would do. I paid $16 for this one. I paid $30 for this. If I was very tight budgeted or trying to pick up something that I was just going to use from time to time, you know, I would go with the $16 option. Some people would be willing to spend the extra for the Master name. they have a large distributorship, although any of the parts that would go in the Master would also go into the Timbertech. So at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what I think. It depends on what you think. Let me know down below what you think about it. I'll leave you guys links for these. Hopefully you guys got a little bit of information about this and that helps you out. Y'all have a good one. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.